House of Reclaimed Gold by Out-of-the-Box Eco-Architects in Vikramgadh, India. Driven by an urge to reunite with his family, our client approached us with a requirement to construct a family home on his ancestral farmland in Vikramgadh, Palghar, Maharashtra. The land boasted an existing paddy plantation and a variety of fruit-bearing trees, like fig, mango, and other local species. Observing the rapid transformation of the surrounding village, where traditional homes were being replaced with high-maintenance contemporary structures unsuitable for the local tropical climate, our client sought to reconnect with his roots upon returning from abroad. His aim was to immerse himself in the close-knit village community and embrace the natural surroundings that his homeland offered, fostering a sense of belonging with his ancestral land. This presented an ideal opportunity to develop a project characterized by eco-sensitive design and materials, while also fostering community participation. Our objective was to minimize disruption to the natural environment during construction and to reintroduce local craftsmen to the use of indigenous materials, thereby revitalizing their traditional skills. The concept centered around constructing the house with handmade adobe blocks using earth sourced from the site and its immediate surroundings, serving as the primary load-bearing element of the house. This approach not only provided valuable training to local craftsmen for future sustainable projects, but also promoted the acceptance of natural building methods within the community, revitalizing traditional sustainable practices in the process. The project derives its name, the House of Reclaimed Gold, from our commitment to reclaiming materials from demolition waste, echoing the sentiment of passing on heirlooms through generations, a common practice in Indian tradition. While some of the old Wada-style properties around Mumbai were being demolished, we found chiseled basalt rock disposed of at these sites as an ideal material for the load-bearing foundation of the house and the wall masonry on the leeward side of the house. During our recce around the village, we noticed vernacular homes being demolished for the construction of RCC substitutes. These homes offered us age-old seasoned wood that found a new purpose in our project as decking and roofing members. Some of these homes also provided us with an array of clay tiles for the roof and a flamboyant collection of doors and windows to be reused. We turned to the local granite depots for their broken granite waste to create mosaic flooring in the living spaces, while the pebbles sieved out of soil during construction were used for the anti-skid mosaic in the wet areas of the bathroom. Our sentiments toward handcrafting led us to conduct several successful experiments on-site. One notable innovation was the design of adobe molds that incorporated a sleeve for concealing electrical conduits, allowing us to expose the earthen walls on the interior. These conduits are terminated at switch boxes crafted on-site from reclaimed teak wood. Additionally, we repurposed aged wooden logs found scattered on the farmland to create intricate live-edge features within the house. These include the kitchen counter, the master bath wash basin, and the living room column, each imbued with a sense of history and connection to the land. A cartwheel sourced from the village was incorporated as a perforated design element to the leeward elevation of the house. Taking the harsh local climate of scorching summers and heavy monsoons into consideration, the house was designed with two elongated wings along the east-west axis. This ensured minimal exposure to the glare of the sun to reduce heat gain while maximizing ventilation. The 9-inch thick load-bearing adobe walls provided the necessary thermal mass required to insulate the interiors, creating a significant difference between indoor and outdoor temperatures. Expansive overhangs of sloping roofs and enveloping verandas played a major role in ensuring safety from weathering, aiding the longevity of this earthen structure. With an internal roof height of 26 feet, hot air is allowed to escape through meshed gable frames, facilitating natural ventilation. Furthermore, the veranda and lily pond surrounding the house act as a buffer, cooling the incoming breeze and providing a comfortable indoor environment. The residence is divided into two wings, namely the public and the private wings, which are planned around a fruiting fig tree and connected by a central veranda. The public wing encompasses an open-plan living area seamlessly merging with a spacious kitchen. Reflecting a preference for rural living, dining rituals are designed around floor seating. Verandas serve as ample overflow areas for entertaining guests. The clients' and parents' bedrooms, along with master and guest baths, are situated in the private wing. These baths enjoy skylit landscape courts, infusing greenery into the spaces. Both wings offer an open deck on the first floor with interconnected verandas, providing ample space for various activities while fostering a connection with the natural surroundings. The house strives to achieve a delicate balance between the indoor and outdoor spaces, allowing the residents to fully embrace the abundant beauty of farm life while preserving tradition and respecting the environment.